Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we will know how to animate typewriter text effect like this. Now you can see here raw footage. I have already got a paper texture image I will be using as my background, and I have also typewriter sound effect. So what we will doing here is typing out a word, adding a carriage return and then typing out a second word. Now select the type tool and click in the center of the program. This will create text graphic layer in the timeline. Before typing anything, go to the effect control panel. Here you will see text option. Then select any font that you want to use. You can also set the alignment. Come back down to the timeline. So what we are going to do now is animated our text with keyframe at each of the beats. Move the playhead forward. Now go to the effect control panel and click on the stopwatch icon next to the source text. Now I am going to set my first keyframe. Make sure that layer is highlighted and back to the program window. Click inside the text box, type the first letter. You will see that keyframe has been added. So now I will just repeat first steps for each letter. Moving forward to the next typewriter, click and adding a character. Once I have done the first word, I will go ahead to my second set of typewriter and then repeat that same keyframe process for my second word. Okay, now I am done, and zoom out a little bit here. You can see what we have done. This is looking better. Another step, carriage return sound. I want to bounce everything up like paper feeding through a typewriter. Now I am going to effect and search transform. Drag and drop onto my text clip. Go to the effect control panel, click on the stopwatch icon next to the position to create keyframe. I will set up my keyframe. Now from here, I am going to move 9 to 10 frames. Using the position control, slide that text up where I want to bounce to finish. So now I have keyframe set for the start and the position of this animation. But it is not looking natural, so I want to add some bounce effect. Go to the first keyframe. Then I will move forward 3 frames. I want to add 50 and enter that value. Then move forward to last keyframe. Check the value of vertical position. Now move the playhead back 3 frames and minus 50 and enter that value. So we can see now we can add little more natural by unchecking use composition and then changing the shutter angle to 200. You can see that added some motion blur. But I want background also move with it. Now I am going to scale up image a little bit. So I will able to move ups and down. Select the text clip, go to the effect control and copy that transform effect. Then select background clip and again go back to the effect control panel and paste that effect. Okay, so now my effects are all set up.